Would you be interested in an employed financial advisor vacancy that is fully home-based? We currently have a new exciting financial advisor role where you will inherit an existing client bank for you to take over the ongoing servicing. This is an excellent opportunity as the client bank provided will typically validate your salary, providing you a strong foundation to build on. Where this is a fully home-based role, the majority of your advice will be done via video or telephone, with some of your appointments being face-to-face upon the client's request. This is a growing IFA company who we will be working with throughout the next year. The benefits of this financial advisor role is that you will have a competitive salary that varies based off your location, an uncapped bonus starting at 1 times salary validation for new business, and 3 times salary validation for all your recurring income. But as I mentioned before, this client bank that you'll be provided will typically validate your salary, so you'll already be in that bonus territory. There are also other company benefits which include pension, life insurance, group income protection, health, cash plans, and salary exchanges. So this company then is a growing IFA firm. It's led by highly respected names within the financial service industry, and it's focused on creating an inclusive culture with goal-based financial planning for their clients. This business is keen to build a great place to work with a friendly team that is passionate about treating everyone fairly whilst also rewarding generously. So what are the requirements for this role then? Well, we would be looking at individuals with their full level 4 diploma. You should be a current financial advisor with experience of delivering a quality service. Ideally, you will have 3+ years of experience within financial planning. If all of those points that I just touched upon apply to you, then please do get in touch. Give us a call on 0208 0044 154 or email us at applications@premierjobsuk.com.